In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split videos in Canva. If you've ever needed to cut out a pause, remove a section, or separate a clip so you can rearrange it later, splitting is the quickest way to do that right inside Canva without any extra software. Start by opening your project in Canva. If you've already designed something with a video on it, that's exactly what you need. Once your project loads, look for the page thumbnails below your canvas. These represent each page or scene in your design. Find the page where your video lives. If you're unsure which one it is, hover over the thumbnails to preview them, then click the one that clearly shows your video content. That click brings you into the editor view for that page, so you're focused on the correct spot. Now, you'll see the video timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where you control timing. The timeline shows a horizontal bar for your video and a playhead, the thin vertical line that marks the current position. To choose where you want to split, all you need to do is click directly on that timing bar at the exact moment you want the cut. You can drag the playhead or click at a point to position it precisely. If you need accuracy, watch the preview and pause near the moment you want, then move the playhead a little at a time until it looks right. Aim for a natural pause or a clear transition in the footage so the edit feels clean. With the playhead in place, right-click on the video in the timeline. From the menu that appears, select Split. Canva will immediately divide the clip at that point, creating two separate pieces on the same timeline. That's it, the split is done. You'll notice each segment can now be selected independently. This makes it easy later to trim, move, or apply different adjustments to each part without affecting the other. If the cut isn't exactly where you wanted, don't worry. Use Undo to step back, reposition the playhead, and try again. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so take a moment to get it right. Keep in mind that splitting doesn't delete anything. It simply separates your video at the chosen point so you have more control. When you're satisfied with the split, continue editing as needed or move on to the next part of your project. And that's how to split videos in Canva. Quick, precise, and beginner-friendly.